Welcome back to Mince Hints, everyone. I'm your host, Grant, and today I'm here with Sprinkles the Cupcake because we're having a party. Look, everyone, it's Mint. Do you have something you want to say, Mint? What's that? Your friend Fuchsia's coming to the party? Well, that's awesome. That must be him. Let's go let Fuchsia in, guys. Huh. Looks like he already made his way inside. I wonder where he could be. Do you know where Fuchsia is? What's that? He's right behind me. There he is. Hi, Fuchsia. I see you've met Sprinkles. Are you ready for the party? Wait, stop. You can't eat Sprinkles. She's our friend.
You're finally awake. I'm so happy to see you again. It's been so long since you've been here. Speaking of which, you may be wondering how you got here. Let's just say you're one heavy sleeper. Anyway, that's not important right now. What is important is that we're throwing a party, and you're invited. Quick, follow me inside. The party is about to start. A lot's changed around here since you were the showrunner. I bet you won't even recognize most of the cast. After you left, a new showrunner took your place and really shook things up. That is, before the show got canceled, of course. Let's head inside so you can introduce yourself to everyone.
Hey, watch where you're stepping, Buster. I'm down here. Who do you think you are walking all over me like that? How would you like it if I stomped on you? Wait a second. I remember you. You must be the special party guest, huh? In that case, you better finish talking to the cupcake. You're gonna need all the help you can get.
I see you've already spoken to Matt. You should meet all the party guests. Whenever you're finished meeting all the guests, come find me in the living room. Then we can get started on the party games. In the bathtub, are you? Whew, thank goodness. I must have mistaken you for someone else.
It wasn't me. It was him. I swear.
It wasn't me, it was her. I swear.
It wasn't me. It was him. I swear.
Glug, glug, glug. That's the sound someone makes when they're drowning.
Minnie.
I can't remember anymore. There were so many. I lost track.
Yay! It looks like you met everyone. Now we can start a party game. For this game, you need to find the hint prints scattered around the house. The hint prints aren't visible to the naked eye, though. You'll need to use that flashbright sitting on the table to see them. The hint prints are all hinting at something, and it's up to you to figure out what that is. You can keep track of any hints you find by recording them with the happy-go-lucky notebook in that drawer. Whenever you're finished, come back here and sit down in the solving seat to figure out what the hints mean. Good luck! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It was my friend. Yay, you found all the hints! Amazing job! Now it's time to put those hints together and figure out what they mean. Sit down in the solving seat to get started. Not quite. Try again. Not quite. Try again. Not quite. Try again. Wow, you figured it out! Great job! That was so much fun! I bet you're thankful you could make it to the party, huh? You shouldn't be thanking me, though. Mint's the one who threw this whole party together. She throws the best parties. Oh no! I've said too much! This is bad! This is really bad! No, wait! Ah!
Hello? Is someone there? If you can hear me, you need to leave right now. There should be a door in the laundry room that leads to the way out, but it needs a key. If you've made it this far and haven't found the key yet, you might need a special flashbright to find it. I've got a feeling the flashbright you need might be laying around somewhere. Equip the flashbright, find the key, then get out of there! Oh, and one more thing. Be careful on your way out. The foxes could be, extraordinarily wily. Good luck! Hey everyone, it's Grant. Welcome back to Mint's Hints. What's that, Mint? The art corner? Well, that's so much fun. You're right, we should do that. Come on, let's go. Wow, look at that, guys. There's a picture of Min, a picture of Fuchsia, and a picture of, that's not supposed to be me, is it, guys? Well, I guess that's me. All right, well, that's pretty great. I mean, just look at all this awesome art on the wall. Huh? What'd you say, Min? You want to see everyone else's art on the wall, too? I love that idea. Guys, if you want to enter your artwork to be in the next art corner, go to the link below. If you love Mint's Hints as much as I do, help support us so we can keep the show running like it's always been. What's that? What do you mean it's too late? No, you already replaced the showrunner? No, not with him. Oh my god, not him. You know what his plan is? You can't do that. This is horrible.